The next thing you can try to gain clarity as to what your body and your heart may be wanting is to actually physically stand in front of each of your decision pathways. So get a sticky note or a piece of paper and write out the two decisions that you are deciding between, and then go and see how it feels to stand in front of each one. So let's say you're deciding between starting a business or staying in your corporate job. Go write each one on a piece of paper and then go stand in front of each piece of paper and see how that feels. This can be kind of helpful for anyone who knows what they want when they see the options, but has a hard time wading through all the possible decision trees in their own head. So you know how sometimes you don't know what you feel like eating, but when you physically look at enchiladas or Thai food in your fridge, all of a sudden you're like, okay, I know what I want. Or when someone offers up like the two restaurant options, you can look at them both and you can say, I now know which one feels better. So it's a way of just tuning in and letting that gut instinct kind of have a chance to speak out before your brain overrides it with all of the thoughts you have about your pros and cons and what sounds good versus what actually feels good. I think one of the big themes of this lesson is just that your body has so much wisdom in it, and we can definitely override it and cloud it, but your body does know. So by giving yourself the chance to physically stand in front of either pathway, you may get some clarity and be a little surprised as to how your body physically feels imagining either pathway. You can even try and say it as you're standing in front of each card, like, I am a business owner. How does that feel? Versus I am in my corporate job 10 years from now. How does that feel? You can use this for so many different decisions, whether you're thinking about having kids or not having kids, where you're thinking about moving or staying where you are, whether you're thinking about sharing your book via self-publishing or with a publisher. Like, there's so many different paths depending on your decision. So give it a shot and see if this clarifies anything for you.